Turn up the heat. I'm gonna make my move. Gonna make my move. Get out the way, I'm coming through. Gonna do my thing, do what I do. I'm making waves, I'm blazing trails, I'm coming through. I'm burning up, turn on the light. I'm gonna glow and let it shine. I'm gonna go and light it up right. Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat. I get it glowing whenever I'm going. Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat. Ready, set fire. The flames getting higher. Turn up the heat. Turn up the heat. Make way for me. Turn up the heat. I'm gonna pave my road with bricks of gold. Better make way, I'm coming through. Like thunder rolls, run with the bows. Move out my way, I'm coming through. I'm burning up, turn on the light. I'm gonna glow and let it shine. I'm gonna go and light it up right.
Yung sandals na bibigay ko sa'yo symbolizes yung sinisimbolo nun yung paglaki mo. Ngayon, ang gusto kong mangyari, lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos, may takot sa magulang mo, at higit sa lahat, may respeto sa lahat ng mga nakakatanda sa'yo. Hindi lang sa nakakatanda, sa lahat ng tao. Mahal na mahal ka namin, nagpapasalamat kami na nakilala namin yung parents mo, si Sam tsaka si Kuya Junar, dahil meron kaming baby bobot. Baby bobot pa sa ngayon, pero ayan, malaki ka na. Love you, Bon.
Today, can you see it? We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story. And we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
Birthday po, be a good girl lagi, and sunod ka na kay mama at papa at ate. Love you!
Bot, ayan, wishing you another year filled with joy and blessings. Ayan, laging mag-aaral mabuti and makinig kay mommy at daddy. Ayan, nandito lang kami and we always support you in everything that you do and we love you. And happy birthday, Bot!
We got a beautiful story, and we've only just begun. The best is yet to come. The best is yet to come.
Magpakabait ka, tapos mag-aaral ang mabuti. Huwag matigas ang ulo, ha? Mahal na mahal ka namin. Love you.
We got a beautiful story. Every moment on and on. We got a beautiful story.
Bot. Patalaga ka na, baby, ano? 7 ka na, di ba? Lagi kang maging mabait, ha? Tapos mag-aral kang mabuti, at lagi kang magpakumbaba lagi, ha? Mahal na mahal ka namin, Bot, ni Papa. Magpakabait